Here's the last of them.
Father and Son and the Holy Spirit.
Chinks attacking whites. Can't you say I've seen this before? What we got here?
Sergeant, someone should ride to Kalgoorlie. Wire purse for a tracker.
Can't wait for a tracker.
Opium corporal. Where there's chinks, there's opium, eh?
Trooper?
I'm sorry, Dad. The hate.
Remember, the only reason anyone's here is gold. And gold drives men mad, boy. Look at me. The law is all that holds this hell of a place together, okay? So keep it together, trooper. This is our chance, huh? Make a name for ourselves.
Sergeant. We need a tracker. And we don't yet know if we're looking for Chinese or whites.
4 whites robbed the Mount Magnet mine. 3 whites lay here, and a 4th is gone, along with the gold. So we pursue the 4th man.
Yes, but Chinese don't just attack whites. They're not even welcome in the gold fields. They must have known about the gold.
Well, we act on what we know. Our man needs a furnace. It'd be good if we beat him to it.
Sergeant, we should bury these men.
Watching a garu menu now when you do Wilbraham Yangwa. The ballon mano nianare. In the window there are you can done. Niana got a pokol. What is in Niana?
Undudara, where you are? Baluga gul near.
Gagol. Where will be me? Why near Gagol? Here, one of the matter. Tanana, Kulgarana. Tana, double on the way. Telamulanda. Here, no matter. Call me way. Damn on the balco. One of the water. Nundangapa, the young window wood. In the way, go under. Two go in the bay, Malagade, Nundola. Nundu Mudolia Narugul Gana Nalbigoaka, Nundu Chinayara, Nalamibe, Vidi, Nundu Way, Chinayara.